Hi everyone, in this video I will try to show you how you can get a high resolution logo from Logomakr without paying any money. First we need to go to the Logomakr website without including E letter in its website address. I think you know it. And now I'm saying creating a new design. Then for instance let me entering electronics logo. I will try to create an electronics logo. For instance, I prefer to use this because I am teaching some engineering department courses related with electronics, so I prefer to show you this property by using electronics logos. For instance, this is an accumulator. For instance, I add this one. Also, again, I will add another logos having relating with electronics, and I am also getting in another logos, and let me get at the fourth and final logo. For instance, I prefer to choose a colored logo to show you more clearly to understand the difference with Logomakr's PNG resoluted logo, low resolution logo, and we will get a high resolution logo, and I will try to show you how we can do this. If you make adding a shape back in the background of the logo, let me add this logo, this shape to this logo, then I am sending it to the back. Now the colored logos came to in front of the shape. Now let me say this is the our logo, and let me also add a typing width, a color. For instance, maybe it's a black. Now that's enough to show the difference. For instance, I am dragging it to the center of the this logo. Now all of them are ready to get for saving, and from the in the right part of the, maybe I should show you from this part, you can save the logo. Now I am saving the logo. I think many of you know how you can get without paying any money for this logo in no thanks part. In this part, now I am clicking it, then I am saving our logo in the PNG format. Then I am opening it. Now you could see that it has a very low resolution logo. So I realized that if you try to get this logo from itself, I think for instance my screen is 4K Ultra HD. Maybe many of you have full HD resolution, but I think that is also enough. Maybe you can make greater these logos as well, but in this, from over the same logo, we will try to get a high resolution logo. First I will try with Windows logo property, but when I try to it, you could see that there occurs the watermark in Logomakr website. This is a prevention to prevent application to prevent getting a high resolution logos. But let me try. I am trying to getting this logo, but you can see that this is better than this logo, but it has a watermark. So how we can solve this problem? I realized that if you use Snagit editor, I think again many of you or some of you know this program. With the Snagit editor you can get a high resolution and without any watermark logo. Let's see how. If you set up Snagit editor, then its print screenshot button automatically triggers its snapshot property with Snagit editor. Let's see how it is done. Now I am pushing the print screen button in my keyboard. Now I push the button, but it's too interesting. The watermark of the Logomakr website disappeared, so it gives me an opportunity to get a high resolution logo with this. You could see that also over almost near to high full HD resolution. Let me also open the Logomakr's website's low resolution picture from our downloaded version. You can compare the difference. It only has 300 pixels, and our screenshot version includes very much higher resolution. Also, I said before, you could also expand these logos to get much higher resolution as well by expanding these logos, because they are vectoral. So I think you could obtain. Now again, I am pushing the print screen button, then I also get now much higher resolution, and without including any. Now you can see that almost full HD, and the downloaded version is too low resolution, to have too low resolution, and this is also better. This is the best. So maybe if you want to learn how you can use easily Snagit editor, you could disappear these surplus parts by these versions. Then you could export save as in the desktop, and high resolution, I give the name. Also you can change any format. Then I saved it. Now you could see that it has a high resolution picture when compared with Logomakr's website's free version. There are too many differences. We could obtain without any watermark and with a high resolution without paying anything. So thank you for your watching. This is my first English video. I am so sorry, my faults. Thank you for your watching. See you in the next video. I hope so that.